So hello everyone, this is a day 106 of my journey to improve my communication skills. So today, while solving a DSA problems, I was not able to crack the today's daily streak problem because the problem is related to the string and I'm still solving the problems regarding the array. I didn't study the concept regarding the string, so that's why I was not able to crack the problems even after getting the solution on the ChatGPT. So rather than wasting time on that, I jumped towards my daily streak problem, which is A to Z striver sheet. So in that sheet, I solved the three DSA problem. First one is to find the square root of a number. Second one is to find the nth root of a number, and third one is cocoa banana eating problem. So the first problem, which is basically to find the root of a to find the square root of a number, which is very simple. We can easily find with the help of binary approach. If we want the optimal solution, we can solve with the binary. Otherwise, we can also solve with the linear search also. And then the second problem is to find the nth root of a number. This one also we can solve with uh, linear approach as well as the binary search. And the binary one is the more optimal here. And the third problem which I solved is cocoa banana eating problem. So what is the problem? So what is the problem statement basically? Given an array contains the numbers. Numbers resembles the number of bananas in each piles and also given a number of hours. So Coco has a job to eat all the bananas in that given hours. So we have to calculate the minimum number of bananas she has to eat in 1 hour. So this is basically the problem statement, and this problem we can also solve with the approach of binary search. So that's all about DSA. And one more thing which I noticed is I watched my yesterday communication video. So I used a lot of filler words like so basically, and along with that, a lot of words I used, and I will try to reduce to use that words in the upcoming videos because you can only improve if you know that what your weakness is. If you are continuously doing the same task, you will never get to know where you have to improve and how you can improve your communication skills. And I will try to reduce the use of words like so basically. So that's why my speech will become more impactful. And along with that, another thing which I notice is while solving DSA problems, I just going for the numbers, not the patterns. What the problem statement explain that I am not able to grab properly. So to solve and to grab the problem statement, what I mean to say basically, if you are just solving the problems, you will never able to crack on the upcoming or the interview problems. You can only crack if you know the concept and the pattern behind it, and that is only possible if you practice dry run and revise it again and again. And after that, I work towards my operating system core subject, which is basically core subject of computer science engineering, and also a lot of questions will asked regarding this um, core subject. So I rather than going towards the basic and depth of the operating system, I just ask the ChatGPT give me the most probable questions which will asked in each and every interview. So he gave a lot of questions, and in the end, it gave me around 50 questions, which mostly asked in each and every interview. And the question is very simple, and it almost cover all the concept of the operating system, like what is an operating system, what is a process, what is a thread, difference between process and thread, then process scheduling, disk management, CPU time management, and that process scheduling types like first come first serve, then shortest job remaining first, then round robin, then last one is priority scheduling, along with that deadlock conditions. So these are the basic questions which I learned today regarding operating system, and this is all about day 106 of my journey to improve my communication skills. And still I am using the same filler words, but today I reduce it. Like in yesterday video, in each and every sentence I start with a so. So today I reduced that, and I took proper pause wherever I was thinking that I will I'm gonna to use the word. So yeah, this is the one step towards the improvement, and I will try to do it regularly. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.